Look at this. What? Look at this. Look at this. Dude, it's so bright. What up, world? It's BK here, and I got sent these headlights from Oxido. In this video, we're gonna take them out of the package, we're gonna put them on the Yaris, and we're gonna see how they work. I think that our current lights are pretty beat up. You can see here. Before shots, so we can see this is what the lights look like beforehand. And you can tell that we have a dimmer one. That's the side we got hit on recently. So let's see if this improves our vehicle. We were sent these for free, and if you want to get a set of your own, you can check out the link in the description. Has a 15% discount. It also helps me out if you use it and check out what their products are. So let's get on with it. All right. So apparently these are a drop-in for my 2007 Toyota Yaris, Didi. So this is Didi, our 2007 Toyota Yaris. And if you're wondering what these names are, well, if you subscribe to the channel, we'll put your name on the Yaris, just like our friend Lennon. And it's pretty good because we just got hit, and one of the lights on the driver's side, passenger side, is actually kind of dimmed out now. They so bad. They so bad. Oh look, so in the box we get these neat little gloves. Now we can see how dirty things are. Yeah, you got that white glove there. Ooh, look at this, look at this. Nice. Some zip ties, rule book, and these have a plug. Oh, okay, I see. Pretty fancy. They even have like a fan on them. It's pretty neat there. So it looks like it's a couple LEDs, and this is the same adapter that is in the headlight. I already know that because we've had to replace it before. So, and then this is the male plug. So this should work pretty easily. But that's everything that's in the box. So let's go throw them on the car. First thing we'll do is pop the hood. Okay, so you see back here, we have this little, this thing, that's where the headlight, it lives. Because like I said, we were in a crash, I've kind of zip tied this to itself. But typically they have a bolt here, and then they also usually have a bracket with a bolt here, and then there's a bolt here. But again, our car's pretty loved. All right, so we got our 10 mil in here, and we're just gonna do a little this. So I forgot about this one. There's also this bolt here. So you're likely gonna have to remove the bumper. For us, that just means like we have these push pin things that we're using to keep the bumper in that we have here, and then some zip ties. So that, and then as you see, it's kind of hinged now on those zip ties. Okay, now that the thing's off, we just pop this out here, and there's actually like a retainer clip. So I think you pull it. It's hard to see, but you see there, that retainer clip, it's yeah, so it's push it out, and then it'll eventually pop out from its post, and there's the same on the other side. Once you have the retainer clip out, you just have to remove the electrical plug like that without breaking anything. So now we have a boot and a light. So as you can see, these are relatively the same. They have the same, like, whatever this is, key. And the difference though is that this has this like thing. I think it's a fan. And it also has an external box with a plug. So I don't know if the boot's actually gonna fit around this, but we'll try. Yeah, this boot is no longer going to work with the thing, so I don't know. It's likely not needed. Yeah. So it only goes in one way. So kind of move it around until it goes in, and then use this retainer clip, push it till it snaps in like that, so now it won't move, and then let there be light. That's the install in a nutshell. In a nutshell. So you kind of just fit these back in. This lines up with that, and then you have to make sure that you get this plastic piece to slide and snap in. You can use the fender line to guide you, and that gets the headlight in. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that's very bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the other light, the other side, and already from what I can tell, it's much brighter. Even though our headlights are like scuffed and damaged, you can see it just like peering through. So it's a much higher lumens than the stock one, which is awesome. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and install the other side, and then a little later on, we're gonna see what it looks like at night. It's not even super dark yet, and you can see how the light's reflecting off of the lights. Like you see this white sign up here? It's actually reflecting my headlights right now. That's how bright they are. Look at this. Huge upgrade. I think it's fair to say that this product is pretty awesome. It's definitely a huge improvement over the stock bulbs. I like the white light. It's a lot of lumens. It lights everything up. I just want to say thank you again to AUXITO for supplying us with these headlights. And if you want to get a set of your own, you can check out the link in the description and get 15% off. I appreciate you. If you want to see more videos on how to fix your Yaris, check this out. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.